Hey guys, this is Chris again, back with another video. Today I just want to go over this. It's a battery tester. It's a 12 volt car battery tester for a motor power. I just want to do a quick overview and an unboxing and see how this thing works. Now, it's not bad. It's a tiny item here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Unit itself. Okay, instructions. Get rid of that. Okay. All right, so here it is. And all you got to do is connect the red to the red part of your battery, the black to the black part of your battery, and it gives you a readout here. Now 12.6 is normal for a battery, and then this part here checks your alternator also to see if it's good or bad. Now alternator usually in 14.2 volts is good. Anything lower than that, it might be going. Anything higher than that, it might be overcharging. But for the battery, but let's see how well this works. Okay, it's not bad. It's a small item. Okay, and this stretches, so you could actually pull this apart if you want to, still to go further length. All right, let's check it out. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're gonna check out the, this is a 2016 Toyota RAV4. It's 3 years old, so technically your battery will last 4 years, maybe 5, depending on how often it's been used. But let's check it out. Okay, red. Put the red here, and the black here. All right. So 12.8, as you can see here, that's the voltage of the car, so that's normal. It's staying low, but let's start it up and see if that figure changes. But okay. All right, I'm gonna start the car and see what it says. Okay, so far everything looks normal. 14.2, this is normal for the alternator. So you can, I don't know if you can see that from here, it's green. Okay, it's showing that it's good. So remember when the car was off, it was showing at 12.2 something, which is normal for the battery. So there you go. That's how you can test your batteries, if it's going bad or if the alternator is going bad. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I'll be back again with another video. Have a good day.